So this place has already been around for 40 over years and wasn't renovated for 20 plus. So we were tasked by the owner to remodel the place into something they like. Some place that's cozy, that's unique, and some place that they love. Hi everyone, I'm Michael from TBG Interior Design. Now, one of the things that is unique in the master bedroom will be the full height glass panel that let you have a full view of the balcony when you wake up in the morning. Going to the master bedroom toilet, you'll find that it's super huge, but that's basically because we combine two toilets into one. With the luxury of space, we managed to put in a bathtub, a nice big area for rain shower, a wall-hung toilet bowl, and two basin spaces. Going out of the toilet, you'll find this walk-in wardrobe space that we create for the owners where they can display their luxury bags, where they can do some form of dressing and makeup as well. Moving on to the other two bedrooms, that's where they double up as the working area for the owners. And we have created very nice display cabinets for them to put their Lego displays, to put their Avengers displays. Onto the staircase, there's one of the most unique points. We created a skylight. With a nice panel design, having this landed house feel within the HDB. To make the place even feeling bigger, brighter, the railings we have used laminated glass to give the see-through effect and a very nice luxury feel to the whole place. Moving on to the living room, we kept it simple. The design of the TV console, the feature wall, we kept it simple so that it feels cozy. We also added a fluted panel effect to conceal the entrance to the balcony. Leaning onto the balcony, there's a very nice, unique Hong Kong feel to the whole place, partly because the owner is from Hong Kong. Therefore, we recreated that kind of effect to make it feel at home for him. We go into this nice dining place where there's a big island where they can chill, they can dine at, and a very nice flush cabinet to store all the things and including their washing machine in. We also make a flexible arrangement for one of the bedroom to be opened up as part of the living room or close it to become an additional bedroom. We make it also spacious with a special pull-down bed so that they can keep it and make the space even bigger when necessary. We had this unique modified folding cum casement door to block out the balcony from the living area. The entrance, where you can see there's a very nice floor tiles with a suspended shoe cabinet, and where they put a nice Mickey Mouse statue right at the entrance. Thank you everyone for watching. If you like what you've seen, follow us on Instagram and Facebook at TBG Interior Design for more ideas. And if you wish to have a design consultation, you can contact me at the number stated below. Thank you everyone.